Can you day trade without AI? Is that even possible? Day trading means buying and selling things like stocks or crypto within the same day. Today, many traders use AI to analyze the market faster than humans. AI checks thousands of data points in seconds and suggests when to buy or sell. But that doesn't mean you can't trade without it. People were day trading long before AI even existed. But you have to do everything yourself, watch charts, study prices, and make decisions. It's slower and harder. The problem is markets move very fast. Prices can change in seconds. AI reacts instantly. Humans a bit slower. It's like a race, a bicycle versus a car. So does day trading without AI make sense? Yes, if you would like to learn and understand the market. But if you want to be super fast and compete with big players, AI gives an advantage. But remember, AI is just a tool. You are the one making decisions. Learn the basic first, then think about AI.